Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we've invited a technician to explain the labeling instructions for disassembly and assembly of the equipment in our factory. We use the same labels for all disassembly parts to facilitate installation. Non-disassembly parts are also labeled to indicate their correct position and orientation to avoid unnecessary trouble caused by incorrect installation. We also include detailed mechanical drawings and photos with shipment to ensure a smooth first-time installation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.